Hello friends, today I'll be doing a guitar lesson for the song Nothing Gonna Change My Love For You by George Benson. It starts with the capo on the first, right? As you can see, there are a lot of chord changes in this song, okay? So let's get started. C chord, capo on the first, right? Okay. So C chord. If I had to live my life. Second chord, you can play a G. I'm playing a G/B, so that I can play this fingerstyle version and give the appropriate bass. So C chord first. If I had to live my life, G or a G/B. You near me, A minor. The days, E minor, be empty. F chord. I'll play F major 7th, and then this D minor. So seems so long. Alright, that goes, entire thing goes back again. Similar chords. La 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 la, la G chord, and A minor, E minor, and then F chord. C, and then is D minor, and then G. Now, the next move. And dreams of your, our dreams are young, F chord. And we both know C chord. Now here, and take us where we, that's a B flat. Should be B flat, can be B flat major 7th, or maybe B flat/A, that is A in the bass, still works fine. Certainly not D minor. I'm not comfortable playing D minor here. Take us where we want to go. I'll choose a B flat. Take us where we, and then A minor. Want to go. Alright? And the next now. Could be D minor or F chord, okay? Hold me now. C chord. Touch me now. F chord again. I don't want to. G chord now. Live without you. I'll do a G/C and G/B. That. You don't really need to do that. You can just play G chord if you're strumming. And now comes the chorus. C chord. Nothing gonna change my F chord. Love for G, E chord, E major. Okay. Now, quick 3 chords. You have to hop these 3 chords quickly. A minor, G, and then D sus2. Even D is okay here, but I still prefer to keep it a D sus2 because melody works like that. Whole life you but clearly it's the arpeggio of the D sus2 chord. Whole life you but, and then F chord. Na na na. G chord next. Na 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 na. Alright, chorus again. Nothing gonna change my love for F chord. G chord. E. A minor. G chord. D sus. F chord, G, change my love for C. Okay, that's pretty much the scale shift to probably 1 fret up, and you have to play this song. Nothing, the same song, same chords, just move the capo quickly if you can. And that's how in the end you play nothing gonna change my love for. How much? All same chords. It just transposes 1 fret, half step up, and then you can play the same chords on guitar. If it's a piano, or maybe piano I'm talking about, you don't have any tool like capo, then of course you have to do the another set of chords, another chord family of progressions. So I think that will be all for today. And if you have any questions, just ask me in the comments below. And if you like the lesson, please click on like, share it, subscribe to my channel. Okay, and you can in the comments let me know any particular song lessons you want me to do. Alright, cheers then, take care, bye bye.